Hi guys, here's my example of the redundancy principle, which essentially means that learners are better off whenever they are just viewing an animation and listening to a narration of the animation, as opposed to viewing the animation and then also listening and reading visual text that is also that's accompanied on the animation itself, since that can lead to redundancy. So I'm going to illustrate this by demonstrating how to use Google Slides. This is something I may want to include in my DTTP project for my staff to view. And it just illustrates the principle because I'm narrating how to use this website and I'm not reading text that's already on the screen, so I'm not being redundant. All right, so here's how we do it. So whenever you're using Google Slides, the first thing you obviously need to do is click on the Go to Google Slides. And in the bottom right corner to create a new presentation, you click the red button, and it's going to prompt you to choose a theme. So I'll use Trek today. And you can see that Google Slides looks identical to a regular PowerPoint presentation that you'd open up in Microsoft Office. So you can, click to add your title. You can press enter a few times to add more slides. And you have all the icons up here to personalize your presentation. So I'm sure everyone has used PowerPoint before. So what I want to focus on is how to use the fun share feature. So up in the top right, the first thing you want to do is give it a presentation. So I'll leave test as my title. And now I want to share it with, say, my partner in my group. So I'm in my Gmail account right now and I want to share it. I'm going to share it with my other Gmail account just as an example. So it's important to note that when you're sharing, you need to note if you want someone to be able to edit your work, just comment on the work, or just view the work. So it's because I'm working with a partner in a group, I'm going to allow them to edit it. And also, if you want to make a note to them, like make sure you finish slide 3, you can do that. Then you press send. And as it's noted up here, it's been shared with one person. So now I want to show you what it'll look like whenever that email shows up in your partner's inbox. So I'm going to sign out. I'm going to log back into my other email. And then I'm going to type in Gmail. And I have an invitation to edit. So in my email, I'm just going to click on the link to the PowerPoint, and you can see that I have the same screen as I did before. So I can do as much editing to it as my partner did. And it also notes up here when the last edits were made by anyone else that has access to the document. So these are the simple ways to use Google Slides. Thanks.